Well, this might be a perfect example where you need a machine like this, a Shopsmith 5 machine, or if you have accessories, well, you have a complete workshop that will put in a single place and put the accessories hanged on the wall somewhere. And then you get the room instead of having all these other machines laying around that I don't use that often. Well, I never use actually because they're piled up and I don't have the room to work on them. But one of the things that I would keep is probably a shop saw or miter saw that I got there. I got a Ridgid. I got another Ridgid here that I'm restoring, which I'm going to, after it's finished, I'm gonna get rid of it. And if my plan works, then I might just gather the money to buy the, the new fence and new motor and electronic controls for a Shopsmith, because I'd rather have a machine like this than a monster like that one. Now for my metal work, I got the Smithy, which is a special machine for metal, and you could do soft metals on that one, but it's not the same, so why have it? I just bought it because it was a good price, and I kind of wanted to have it for some reason, but actually once I had it, then I didn't like it. This is lighter and more refined, and nowadays that Shopsmith is back in business. Uh, you know, you get the company there, so you can get stuff that you might need, a part, a piece, or an accessory, or something that it can be used to modernize this old headstock. Maybe I want to have one of those electronic ones, but they're expensive. Um, they're not cheap. But I can do the modifications or the upgrade myself, and, and have this machine just sitting on the corner without occupying too much space. And this is one of the examples that is where you need a machine that is going to give you the whole range of capability. Woodworking, if you don't do a lot of woodworking yourself, I mean, not like me, I might do a little bit here and there, so I don't need all those other machines. So I think it's a good time to start, you know, getting rid of the stuff that I don't want. And this is one of those times. Hey, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.